Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press enter. Click on the official Gemini website and sign in with your Google account if required. Once inside Gemini, go to the message box and enter a clear prompt. Use this prompt. Generate a 10-slide presentation explaining a car modernization. Include key numbers, recent studies, and general opinions. Review how the technology has evolved over the past 10 years. Use a minimalist, modern design. After entering the prompt, select the Canvas option. This feature organizes your content into a slide-friendly format, making it easier to structure your presentation. Now click Submit and wait for Gemini to generate your slides. Once completed, review the output carefully. Check for accuracy, clarity, and logical flow from introduction to conclusion. Make small edits if needed to improve readability and quality. So that's basically how you can use Gemini to make PowerPoint slides. That's it for this video. Thanks.